Get used to the way the horse's body moves, not so much the feet. The feet will tell you what lead they're in, but don't use the feet as an indicator. If you're only cueing off the feet, if it's all you're thinking about, you're going to want to look down at the horse's feet. Well, as soon as you look down, your body position is incorrect. You're going to throw the horse off balance. All right, you should be able to look at me and him and tell what lead we're in. So I'm going to give you some tips so that you can tell if you're in the correct lead or not. If you don't know what a lead is, when your horse is loping, if you're loping to the right foot should hit the ground in front of the left foot. That goes for both the front and the back. And sometimes it's hard to tell if you're in the correct lead or not. I'm going to give you some tips so that you can help you figure that out. As you see, I'm trotting trigger around. We're at a trot. A trot is a diagonal movement. The diagonal feet move together, hit the ground together. In a lope is a 3-beat movement where the inside foot hits the ground in front of the outside foot. So I've been trotting him around a minute. Let's ask for a lope. I'm going to ask with my right leg back and the hip. I'll push there. I'll maintain contact with this leg. I'm not taking it way off. I'll maintain that contact. But I'm pretty much just maintaining. I'm not really doing much else with it. So right leg back, push. So it's not a leg back and kick. I'm going to put that leg back and I'm going to hold it until the horse completes that transition into the lope. As you see, we're going around. His left foot is hitting the ground in front of his right foot. Yes, it is. Adding a little bit of leg. He's a little bit lazy. I have to kind of push him a little bit. And we broke the trot there back to the lope. Keep going, trigger. So as I'm loping around, his body needs to feel like it's tracking that direction. We're loping to the left. It needs to feel like it's almost like being sucked that way. If we're in the wrong lead, his body's going to feel like it's skidding out, like it's being sucked the other way. Let's see if I can get him to lope off in the right lead and go to the left. Not sure how that's going to go. Let's see. Let's do it this way. Now we're in the wrong lead, and it feels like the shoulder is being pulled out this way because that left foot is hitting the ground in front of the right foot. Now we're in the correct lead. If you would stay open, now we're in the correct lead. His body feels like it wants to go the direction that we're going. You should be able to look at this video and tell what lead we're in. I know I can look at a rider riding around in the arena and just see the rider and be able to tell what lead the horse is in. Even when he looks to the outside, his body wants to go this way. All right, you should be able to look at me and him and tell what lead we're in. Get used to the way the horse's body moves, not so much the feet. The feet will tell you what lead they're in, but don't use the feet as an indicator. If you only cueing off the feet, if it's all you're thinking about, you're going to want to look down at the horse's feet. Well, as soon as you look down, your body position is incorrect. You're going to throw the horse off balance. Some horses lope really well in the wrong lead. But the same thing holds true. If you're turning to the right and that horse is in the wrong lead, he's still going to be sucking to the outside. He's still going to feel like he wants to go that way. Whatever lead they're in, the horse wants to go in the direction of that lead. And if they'll think about that more than cueing on the feet. Now you can look down at the shoulder and I can see right here what leg is hitting in front, because you'll see the short one, then the lead. The short one, then the lead hit the ground. I'll know that the second one that's hitting the ground is the one that's in the lead. I can see that in the shoulder, but then you're still looking down. You're still going to an incorrect posture. You want to be cueing off of the back end of the horse and the horse feeling which way it's tracking. When the horse is in the incorrect lead, he's going to feel like he's being sucked to the outside. So try that next time you lope your horse. That should help you determine if you're in the correct lead or the incorrect lead. This is Trigger. I'll put a link up here to some of the other videos I've done with him. Until next time, thank you for watching.